When I was doing a little bit of research for that dart holder I just made, I saw something really cool. A Spartan dart holder. As soon as I saw it, I figured I need to try to build one of those. Looks like it's going to be fun. It'll be a nice addition here in the garage. So what I think I'm going to do is use the plans off the video I saw. I'll throw a link down to his video. He's the original guy that came up with it. But I think I'm going to try something I haven't done since 2004 when I was student teaching, an Intarsia. For those of you who don't know, it's Intarsia is taking small pieces of wood, putting them together and making your design that way. So I've got some scrap cherry, sapele, and walnut, and we'll see if we can't get our little Spartan dart holder thing rolling. Here's a little drawing that I mocked up. There's a little Spartan guy. One of the darts will be here. There'll be a shield with all the arrows stuck in it. And you can see I've got them marked D and L for dark and light wood. So what we're gonna have to go around and do is trace these out on different pieces of wood, keeping in mind the orientation of the grain. And we'll just see if we can't get all these to fit together. Now this isn't a how-to Intarsia video. I'm just kind of doing this for fun, make it look kind of neat. Leonidas is all cut out now. And my plan is just to glue these onto the corresponding pieces of wood, take it to the bandsaw, cut them out individually, and just put them back together like a puzzle. None of these joints are nothing too complicated, so this should go fairly smoothly, right? Hello, old friend. And older friend. Another 3 Days Grace song. I hate everything about you. For some reason, every time I use this thing, that song pops into my head. I stayed way outside the line there because I want to take this to the sanders and get them right down to my finished dimensions. Now I just got to cut out a few more of these. Well, that was more than a bit tedious. Got all the pieces done. If you think this looks bad now, you should wait to see when it's all finished. All I gotta do now is take it to the sanders and sand them right down to the line. Now these outside parts are purely aesthetic, so I don't have to go right to the line. I just want to get the burn marks off and kind of smooth it out, which means I can be a little lazy. I had to switch vices. Back is starting to hurt bending over. This aging thing is no good. I went and removed most of the paper there, and yeah, he's starting to come along. So some gaps that I just gotta touch up a bit, but a lot of spots are looking fine. So I'm gonna work on these real quick, and then we'll probably chamfer all the corners just to give you some shadow lines, and we'll be ready to glue them together. I think we're just going to super glue these pieces together and then wood glue it to our backer board. If any of this will come out. Now that he's all glued up, I went ahead and traced his outline and then went on the inside of that in Sharpie, and that's going to be the backer board to glue this guy onto. Off to the bandside, I cut this out. I'm not going to show you that. Bandsaws. there's Leonidas in all his glory, all finished up. Fun little project. If you want to see how to really build it, check out that link I left down below. Hope you guys enjoyed for the 3 of you that stuck around to the end, and we'll see you next time.